In many of our kitchen renovation projects, we talk about how convenient a Lazy Susan can be in the kitchen. It can also be convenient out in the garden. Tricia, tell us about this one.
I love my Lazy Susans that I have in my kitchen for my spices because they spin around. And there are so many uses that I use in the garden with a Lazy Susan. This one I picked up at a home store. It wasn't very expensive, and as you can see, it spins around.
Boy, it has a nice tall lip on it. I guess that's convenient too if any spillover or anything.
It is, and also it's heavy duty because this is a pretty heavy plant. I also like to use it when I'm arranging flowers because I can just spin it around and take a look at it. And sometimes I like to give container gardens to my friends as a gift, and I put the plants in and spin it around so I can look at the height. But today, the way I thought I would use it is by pruning back this impatiens, which has gotten a little bit leggy.
Sure has. Yeah, I guess it is convenient to be able to just roll it around and able to keep it a little more even.
Well, exactly, because this way at a glance you can see exactly your height and not have to move all around the table.
Well, you know, so many times when you have a project like this, the solution is a very inexpensive item, and this can't be very expensive.
No, this costs about $3 or $4 at a local home store or department store.